Hi, I'm Miss Denise, and this is Ollie the Crow, and we wanted to welcome you to Creative Kids Virtual Preschool. It is a full 3-month curriculum that has 40 lessons, and each lesson is about 30 minutes long, and I wanted to show you some of the themes that we will be learning about, or that you guys will be learning about. Let me turn you so you guys can see good. We have colors, community helpers, oceans, that's a fun one. All of them are fun. Nutrition, farms, pets, one of my favorites, insects, dinosaurs, transportation, and the seasons, the 4 seasons. You and your child are going to have so much fun. Not only are they educational, interactive, there's tons of hands-on projects that we do. So not only are they super fun, but they're very engaging. And you don't have to do the videos in order. You can do it in order if you would like, or you can just pick and choose the video depending on what you and your child want to learn about that week. So also, one real quick, I don't want to forget to tell you, make sure that you sign into Facebook because we have lots of fun in Facebook as well. So again, I wanted just to welcome you guys and thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you.